Painting your swimming pool can seem like a daunting task, but don't worry, it's totally achievable with a bit of guidance. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through each step of the process, ensuring you achieve a professional-looking finish that will last for years to come. From preparing the surface to applying the final coat, we'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this project like a pro. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, remember that proper planning is crucial. Gather all the necessary tools and materials beforehand to avoid any last-minute rushes. We'll provide you with a checklist later on to ensure you're fully equipped. Also, make sure you have ample time to complete each step, as rushing the process can compromise the final result. Now, are you ready to transform your pool from dull to dazzling? Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Before we even think about paint colors, let's talk safety. This is non-negotiable, folks. Dealing with pool chemicals and tools can be hazardous, so protecting yourself is paramount. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including chemical-resistant gloves, safety goggles, and a respirator mask, especially when handling acidic cleaners or paint. These chemicals can irritate your skin and lungs, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Ensure your work area is well ventilated to allow fumes to dissipate. Avoid painting in enclosed spaces or on windy days when fumes can be blown around. And never ever mix different chemicals together unless the instructions specifically say so. Remember, safety always comes first. By taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy the process and the result of a beautifully painted pool without any mishaps. Choosing the right time to paint your pool is just as important as the painting itself. You wouldn't want your hard work ruined by a sudden downpour or scorching sun, would you? Aim for mild weather conditions with temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Avoid painting in direct sunlight as the heat can cause the paint to dry too quickly, leading to an uneven finish. Check the weather forecast and make sure there's no rain predicted for at least a week after the final coat. Rain can wash away fresh paint, ruining your hard work and costing you extra time and money. Low humidity is also ideal, as moisture in the air can affect the paint's drying time and adhesion. Remember, patience is key when it comes to painting your pool. Waiting for the right weather conditions will pay off in the long run, ensuring a smooth and long-lasting finish. Now that we've covered safety and weather, let's move on to preparing your pool for its makeover. This step is crucial, as a clean and smooth surface is essential for optimal paint adhesion. Start by draining the pool completely. Follow the instructions in your pool manual for the safest and most effective way to do this. Once the pool is empty, it's time for a thorough cleaning. Remove any debris using a leaf blower, brush, or a pool vacuum. Pay close attention to corners, steps, and crevices where dirt and algae tend to accumulate. Use a high-pressure washer to blast away stubborn dirt and grime for a truly spotless canvas. Remember, a clean pool is crucial for a successful paint job. The more time and effort you invest in this stage, the better the paint will adhere and the longer it will last. So grab your cleaning tools and let's get scrubbing. Section 5. Surface preparation, etching and neutralizing. With a clean and dry pool, we can now move on to one of the most important steps: surface preparation. This step is crucial for ensuring that the paint adheres properly and lasts for a long time. This involves etching the surface to create a rough texture, allowing the paint to adhere properly. Without this step, the paint may peel or flake off prematurely. Acid etching is typically done using muriatic acid, but always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Wear your safety gear, including gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from the harsh chemicals. Dilute the acid as directed, ensuring you measure the solution accurately to avoid any mishaps. Apply it evenly to the pool surface, making sure to cover all areas thoroughly. Avoid splashing and ensure adequate ventilation. Working in a well-ventilated area is essential to prevent inhaling harmful fumes. Once the acid has done its job, usually after a few minutes, you will notice a reaction on the pool surface. It's crucial to neutralize it using a bicarbonate of soda solution. This step is essential to stop the acid from continuing to react and potentially damaging the pool surface. This step neutralizes the acid's corrosive properties, preventing damage to the new paint. Make sure to spread the neutralizing solution evenly. Again, follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct dilution and application method. Proper adherence to these guidelines ensures the best results. After neutralizing, give the pool a final rinse with clean water. This step removes any remaining acid and neutralizing solution. Allow it to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Ensuring the pool is thoroughly dry is crucial for the next phase of the process. This may take a couple of days, so be patient and resist the urge to rush the process. A well-prepared surface is key to a successful paint job. Section 6. Paint selection. Choosing the right type and quantity. Now comes the fun part, choosing the right paint for your pool. This decision is crucial as it not only affects the aesthetics, but also the longevity and maintenance of your pool. There are several types available, each with its own pros and cons. Understanding these differences will help you select the best option for your specific needs. Let's break it down to help you make an informed decision. We'll look at the three main types of pool paints: epoxy, rubber-based, and acrylic. Epoxy paint is known for its durability and long lifespan, making it a popular choice for many pool owners. It's a two-part paint that forms a hard protective shell. It's resistant to chemicals, abrasion, and UV rays, ensuring a vibrant finish for years to come. However, it requires a longer curing time and precise application. Rubber-based paint offers excellent waterproofing properties and is a more budget-friendly option. It's easier to apply than epoxy and provides a flexible coating. It's also more flexible than epoxy, making it a good choice for pools in areas with ground movement. This flexibility helps prevent cracks and peeling. Acrylic paint is the easiest to apply and dries quickly, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. It's water-based, which means cleanup is a breeze. However, it's less durable than epoxy or rubber-based paints and may require more frequent touch-ups. This can be a consideration if you prefer low-maintenance options. Once you've chosen the right type of paint, it's time to calculate the quantity. This step ensures you have enough paint to complete the job without interruptions. Measure your pool's dimensions carefully and refer to the paint manufacturer's coverage rate. This will help you determine how many gallons you'll need. It's always a good idea to order a little extra paint to account for spills, touch-ups, and future repairs. This ensures consistency in color and finish over time. Section 7. The painting process. Applying the coats. With your pool prepped and your paint ready, it's time to bring your vision to life. This is where the magic happens, transforming your pool into a stunning oasis. The key to a professional-looking finish lies in applying the paint correctly. It's not just about slapping on some color, it's about technique and precision. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Step by step, we'll ensure you achieve a flawless finish. Before you begin, protect any areas you don't want to paint, such as tiles, fittings, and lights, using painter's tape. This will save you a lot of cleanup time later. Start by applying a thin, even coat of paint using a roller designed for pool surfaces. This first coat is crucial as it sets the foundation for the subsequent layers. Work in smooth, overlapping strokes, ensuring complete coverage. This technique helps to avoid streaks and ensures a uniform finish. Follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding drying times between coats. This is essential for the paint to adhere properly and to avoid any peeling or bubbling. Depending on the type of paint and the desired opacity, you'll likely need to apply multiple coats. Each layer builds up the color and durability. For most paints, 2 to 3 coats are sufficient for a durable and vibrant finish. This ensures that the color is rich and the surface is well protected. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next, typically 24 hours. This waiting period is crucial for the paint to cure properly. Remember, patience is key during the painting process. Rushing can lead to mistakes that are difficult to fix later. Avoid rushing the drying time, as this can lead to an uneven finish and compromise the paint's durability. A little patience now will result in a beautiful, long-lasting finish. Section 8. Crack repair. Fixing imperfections. Before filling your freshly painted pool, it's crucial to address any cracks or imperfections. These can worsen over time, leading to leaks and costly repairs. Small cracks can often be repaired using epoxy pool putty. Simply press the putty into the crack, ensuring it's flush with the surrounding surface. Larger cracks may require a different approach. For wider or deeper cracks, consider using a concrete patching compound. Clean the crack thoroughly. Apply the patching compound according to the manufacturer's instructions, and allow it to cure completely before proceeding. Once the repairs are dry, you can apply a final coat of paint over the patched areas for a seamless finish. Addressing cracks promptly not only enhances the aesthetics of your pool, but also prevents further damage and ensures its longevity. Section 9. Final touches and maintenance, keeping it pristine. Congratulations, you've successfully painted your swimming pool. Now let's discuss the final touches and maintenance tips to keep it looking its best for years to come. Once the final coat of paint is completely dry, typically 5 to 7 days, you can start filling your pool. Follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding the recommended time frame for refilling and the initial water chemistry balancing. Regular maintenance is crucial for a long-lasting finish. This includes brushing the pool walls and floor regularly to prevent algae and dirt buildup. Maintain proper water chemistry by testing the pH and chlorine levels weekly and adjusting them as needed. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can ensure your newly painted pool retains its vibrancy and sparkle for many swimming seasons to come. Enjoy your beautiful and refreshing oasis.